we verify? We verify the fingerprints and the facial features. You could be asking yourself, what is special this time round from the previous kits we are using? For the fingerprints, we are using a technology called capacitive fingerprint readers, meaning that before, on the previous years, we are using optical. It would use light to be able to read your fingerprint. The issues with that technology is that it was slow and error prone. It's a bit difficult to read your fingerprint for those who have used fingerprint readers, but this time the technology we are using, the capacitive fingerprint readers, is able to read your fingerprint in a few seconds, as you'll be witnessing. For the facial features, we are using what we call the infrared blaster, which reads deep features within your face to be able to interpret the biometric features that you have. So they are just two, the fingerprints and the facial, but the underlying technology is the infrared blaster and the capacitive fingerprint readers. The kit is able to read within the district where you are and to tell you, no, you are the wrong polling station, you need to go to the right polling station. And if it's outside, we use the voter locator to be able to indicate where you should be going.
When this is done, as it has been shown, those ballots, if any, will be rejected by the machine, and everybody around, the agents, the media, the observers will be able to say, where did they come from? So this is one of the critical reasons why the mandatory use of biometric voter verification that verifies the voter, that also verifies the ballot papers, comes in to ensure that only one man, one woman, one vote principle is achieved to the letter.
System will enable the Commission to ensure that only registered voters vote during the election and that such persons do not vote more than once for the same election. Hence, it will help the Commission to achieve a one man or one woman, one vote principle. One man or one woman vote principle. The Commission is progressing with the training of the officials who will operate the kits during the elections from the national level to the polling level.